Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto X40 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, so let me do it. And here scroll down to find the sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again to find this section with the ringtones. As you can see, they are divided between two different SIM cards. And let me show you how to do it using, for example, the first one. As you can see, after tapping on it, we will have this pop-out window with defaulting instant ringtones from which we can choose. At the very top we've got the option None, which simply means that your device will not use any kind of ringtone to notify about the incoming call. And here we can add ringtone, which simply means that we can pick something from our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, they will appear right here and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to listen it and decide if you like it or not. And basically, if you're happy with your choice, just tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Motorola Moto X40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.